To use the Finish liquid dishwasher cleaner, empty the dishwasher, clean and replace the filter, wipe down the interior with a sponge or cloth and get into corners where food particles can collect. Wipe off the spray arms. Remove the sticker from the top of the cap to expose the wax plug. Place the bottle upside down on the bottom rack. Don't remove the cap. The wax plug will melt to release the cleaner. Don't use this with any other cleaners. With the bottle in place in an empty dishwasher, run a full cycle on the hottest setting. When the cycle is done, remove the empty bottle and throw it away.